Let's take a look at the difference between mass and weight. Even though these terms are sometimes used interchangeably, they're actually very different. Mass is defined as the amount of matter that makes up an object, or in other words, it's the amount of space that an object takes up. Weight, on the other hand, includes the force of gravity on an object. In chemistry, we typically use grams or kilograms as the units for mass and weight. The important thing to remember is that mass is constant. It doesn't matter where an object is, it's always going to have the same mass. On the other hand, weight will vary. That's because gravity varies depending on where we are in the universe. Now, typically when we are talking about objects in chemistry, we of course are referring to objects here on Earth, which is why grams and kilograms are used for both. We can calculate weight by multiplying an object's mass by the gravitational pull on that object. Let's illustrate the difference between mass and weight even further by taking a look at what happens if we have an object that weighs 100 kilograms on Earth. If we were to take that same exact object and brought it to Mars, its weight would be 38 kilograms. Now that's a pretty big difference, and that's because the gravitational pull on Mars is different than on Earth. But the most important thing to remember is that the object has the same mass no matter where it is.